Question number 21 is analyzing quantitative data, and we're talking about the 1990s, which I've highlighted in blue. That's what we're looking at, the 1990s. And I didn't really make a prediction, partially because I tried to make a prediction in 20 and question number 20, and it didn't turn out to be very useful. So I just thought that this was too vague of a question to make a prediction. That's fine. Large numbers of people moved. No, we're not talking about movement. We're talking about change in growth. Because really, we're not graphing the suburban, like maybe if we had a graph of all 4 different areas that are talked about in Burgess's, in the report that Burgess had made, the 4 different zones. If we were graphing those, then we'd be able to see movement from one to another, maybe. But this is the wrong topic. We have to talk about growth, because we can't assume that if one of these is going down, then the other one is going up. We can't, because there's immigration. People from outside of the U.S. might be making these bars higher than the others. So you can't really track movement. That's why A and C are not the correct answer. We don't know anything about movement. We only know about growth. And this is the opposite of this is true. Growth rates fell in smaller metropolitan areas in the 1990s. That's not true. From 1980 to 1990, we can see here smaller. It actually gets bigger. So the opposite is true. From 8.8 to 13.1, the opposite. It doesn't fall. It rises. D is true. Grew more in the 1990s than 1980s. All of the blue numbers are all higher than all of the green numbers. So that's why D is correct.